Bob Freeman here on MarineMax in Naples, Florida. And today to talk to you folks about the Boston one, the 2020-19 Montauk. As you can see with the new redesign last year, it's absolutely gorgeous. The lines are beautiful. Got the stainless steel rubber insert here. Got the T-top. It's powered by the Mercury Verado 150. Plenty of horsepower for this boat. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the Montauk. Let's start with the back of the boat. I already told you it's powered by the 150. It's got the ski tower as well for towing, tubing, that type of thing. It's great. You get the reversible helm seat right here. Push it forward for fishing. Really nice helm. You've got the GPS Marine on there, so you got good electronics on here as well. Digital throttle on shift. And also, as we move to the bow of the boat, you've got the handrails as you go along. And you've got a really nice big bow, big sun pad up here, very comfortable, great storage underneath. Another seat right here that has a cooler underneath. It's a great boat. You can take it out in the Gulf, no problem at all. Take it in the backwater, no problem either. So if you got any questions on it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.